In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of any application on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is navigate all the way over to your settings gear, all the way on the far right. From here, go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for is going to be your little application settings right here. Go ahead and select that to open it up. And once you go ahead and select this, go ahead and go to this Manage Installed Applications page down at the very bottom. Open this up because this is where you're going to see every single app installed on your Fire TV or Fire Stick. Choose whatever app you want to log out of. For example, we'll do this Amazon Kids Plus option right here. And essentially what you're going to want to do is just select that app and then scroll down and you're going to see, two important options, clear data and clear cache. Clear data will sign you out and remove any saved login information, and clear cache is only going to remove temporary files and not sign you out. If you want to log out, just hit clear data and you're good to go. If you ever want to log out to more apps, just go back, select whatever app you want to do. For example, we'll do this time Netflix. You'd select this, go down to the clear data option and select this and you'll be good to go. But it really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and sign out of any app here on your Amazon Fire TV. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.